Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Meghu Talks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add story on आपका अपना Instagram. So guys, firstly you have to go to your Instagram app and open it and then refresh it. Now tap to the top left of your screen or swipe right from anywhere in the feed. If you want to take photo or a video, then tap to the bottom of the screen to take pics or hold the record button for a video, or you can see the gallery option in the bottom left. Select any picture or video which you want in your Instagram story. Then tap or draw text add or sticker on your photo or video. When you are ready to share, tap your story in the bottom left and then refresh it, and you can see it's all done. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and tell me how my video was in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.